What's up YouTube, it's iPod666 here, and today I'm going to do another unboxing of the PlayStation 3 Slim 160GB. What happened was that my other PlayStation 3 Slim had this problem in it. There was sound coming from the disk drive. There's going to be an annotation throughout the whole video on this side of a video that leads to the sound. If you guys have a sound coming from your PlayStation 3 Slim, you guys should call up Sony and ask them if this is normal or not, because I called them and they heard the noise and they said that it was not normal and take it back. I had the 30-day warranty with Best Buy, and I took it back today and I got my new PlayStation 3 Slim 160GB. I just exchanged it and it's right here, so I'm going to do another unboxing of it. Don't forget there's an annotation right around here. And if you want to see my other unboxing of the holiday bundle of the PlayStation 3 100GB system, click on this side. There's going to be an annotation on this side of the video. And yeah, so let's just get started with the unboxing of the PlayStation 3 Slim. So, the guy at Best Buy, he opened up my PlayStation, opened this box up because I forgot to bring my power cable. So, he opened it up already, but we have to get on with the unboxing. I mean, we can't just stop the unboxings because he opened it already. So, alright. And I did back up my stuff, my games and everything, on a USB hard drive. I mean, USB flash drive. So, yeah. Okay, so as you guys saw before, here's everything. One thing you won't be seeing is this, the power cable, the USB cable, because he took it out, as I said earlier. But yeah, so first of all, you see DualShock 3, got everything new. DualShock 3 right there, cool with the 6-axis and all, so that's cool. I got all the manuals again, nice. Here it is again, PlayStation 3 Slim. Take a look at this baby again. Wow. Very cool. Alright, there we go. PlayStation 3 Slim, 100GB system, model. And yeah. So, the games I got until now are, of course, Call of Duty Black Ops, my most favorite game. This is like the best game ever. You guys should get it. Call of Duty Black Ops, you want to hit me up on this game, you want to play with me, just personal message me and I'll send you my PSN. Call of Duty Black Ops, Call of Duty 4, I was going to get World at War, but got a nice deal on this. Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare. The graphics on this aren't that good, but I recommend Call of Duty Black Ops over it, obviously. Got Metal Gear Solid. I just got this today as well, but I opened it in the car. So Metal Gear Solid 4. Let you guys know how this game is. I'll do a review or something. Godfather 2, nice game. PlayStation 3 Slim. And finally Infamous. This came with my bundle, my holiday bundle. And also I got NHL 11, but I traded that for Red Dead Redemption. And Red Dead Redemption I lent it to my friend. So one of my friend has it. And of course Call of Duty Black Ops again. And just to prove to you I do have it. Yeah. So if you guys want to get my PSN, just personal message me and I'll send it to you. And yeah, alright guys, iPod666 out, and peace out guys.